How to Generate AI Study Notes with Gemini AI 2025 Guide. Step 1. Open Gemini AI and prepare your study material. Go to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Have your study materials ready, such as lecture notes, PDFs, textbooks, or articles, key topics, or chapters you want to be summarized. Step 2. Upload or input your material. Click Upload to add your files or copy paste text directly into Gemini AI. Step 3. Enter a study notes prompt. You may use a prompt like create clear and concise study notes from the uploaded material. Highlight key concepts, important definitions and examples. Organize notes with headings, bullet points, and summaries for each section. Step 4. Review and customize notes. Check the generated notes and ask Gemini to simplify complex topics, add more examples or diagrams, focus on specific chapters or concepts. Step 5. Export or save notes. Copy the notes into Google Docs or Microsoft Word, PDF format for offline studying, and note taking apps like Notion or OneNote.